I am a research professor at the National Center for Scientific Research, CNRS, and a professor at NSI. I was trained as an economist before turning to sociology, and I practice interdisciplinary research. I leverage synergies between economic sociology, social network analysis, and some parts of computer science. I currently study the place of human labor in the global production networks of artificial intelligence, social inequalities in digital platform work, and the spread of online disinformation. I have also extensively published in the fields of sociological methodology and data and research ethics. A PhD thesis marks the beginning of a research career. Research itself is an exploration beyond the boundaries of established knowledge. Unlike taught programs, coursework, where predefined answers exist, research involves asking questions that no one has asked before and seeking answers that no one knows in advance. This process pushes the frontiers of human understanding, even if incrementally. A PhD is a worthwhile pursuit for those really interested in this challenging but rewarding experience. It involves both the excitement and the risks of uncovering new knowledge. Progress may be slow and outcomes might fall short of initial expectations. In truth, a thesis is unlikely to spark a scientific revolution, but its value lies in recognizing the contribution while addressing its limitations and proposing new research directions. A PhD supervisor guides the student throughout the research journey. The challenge is to balance two key responsibilities: fostering the student's autonomy, but also providing support and intervening when necessary. And because the PhD is a first step in a research career, the role of the supervisor does not stop the day of the viva. There is a need for advice on navigating the graduate job market, which can be complex. For example, unfortunately, the demand for new PhD graduates in universities has declined in some parts of the world due to austerity policies, but non-academic career paths are becoming increasingly viable for PhD graduates. Strong academic performance in previous studies is very important, but it is only a starting point to start a PhD. Motivation for research is crucial. Sometimes we hire prospective candidates as interns or research assistants during their master's studies. This allows us to assess their potential and gives candidates first-hand experience in research. Autonomy and initiative are essential, but so are also a collaborative mindset and teamwork skills. Modern research is increasingly collective rather than individual. A PhD thesis should be viewed as part of joint effort, not an isolated endeavor. This perspective is common in fields like physics and computer science, but some social sciences still grapple with the shift from a romanticized view of solitary research to a more collaborative model. If a PhD is the first step in a research career, it prepares graduates for roles in research and in knowledge production. Academia remains a traditional path, but alternative opportunities in research are growing in think tanks, private research institutions, and research and development divisions of businesses, government agencies, and international organizations. Many graduates spend a few years in postdoctoral programs before securing a permanent position. It is widely recommended that the PhD, postdoc, and first job take place in different institutions to expose researchers to diverse environments and collaborators to enrich their experience. An international perspective is also valuable because knowledge transcends borders. For instance, completing a postdoc abroad can enhance career prospects even if the long-term goal is to remain in the same country.